How to delete your SoundCloud account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete your SoundCloud account. To do that, the first step is to log in into your account on your web browser, not the app. All right, on the web browser, just like I have done here. And once you have your um account loaded, you can see all of your activities, your songs, and all. Move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons like upgrade now for artist, upload, etc. So click on your profile icon, you'll see other options as well. Then move to the right hand corner where you can see the three dot icon. Select that and the drop down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you would see options like About Us, Legal, Copyright, Mobile Apps, Blogs, um, etc. Select Settings. Okay. And on the Settings page, you'll see six tabs, namely Accounts, Content, Notifications, Privacy, Advertising, Two-factor authentication. Scroll down until you see Delete Account. Okay, Delete Account. So just select that and then you'll be asked why you're choosing to delete your account. Choose your reason, move to the bottom right corner, click delete my account, and then just like that, your account on SoundCloud would be deleted. Yeah, it's that simple. For me, I still want to retain my account, so I'm just gonna leave it this way. But for you, choose your reason and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.